Hi guys, my name is Sandeep Reddy Bajuri. I am pursuing my graduate diploma in an MIT Auckland campus. I am here to show this video of storage space management in networking. In the storage space management, there are some features like space guarantees, file reservations, deduplication, and quotas. In this space storage management, there are some objectives like explore volume space consumption, explore file space consumption, configure deduplication for a volume, create and manage quotas, generate a quota report, modify the quotas file and implement the quota changes. Now let's begin the module. Yeah, this is my vSphere web client, and I have installed data on tap, server, Windows, and my router. And then my main domain is here. I can see the domain, and my domain name is bajuri.local, and I have given my IP address as 10.10.0.30, and my data on tap is here, and I have given my IP address as 10.10.0.10, and my DNS name is Sandy, and this is my Windows client, and I have given 10.10.0.25, and this is also connected to the main domain, and I can show this, and I will log in to the Windows client through my domain, and I'm typing the password. And I connected through domain, and this is my NetApp commander, and I installed this, and also and as well as my putty. Here is my putty, and this I have given my storage system as sandy.bajuri, and the address is 10.10.0.10, username as root, and my password is I won't say, sorry to say that my password. If I want to add this sandy.bajuri, let's click on add and give a host address or an IP address. Directly we add to the system, to the main server. Now then, I'm starting with my main task. My task one is explore volume space consumption. In this task, we want to create a fully provisioned volume and also a thin provisioned volume, and compare these two volumes to determine when space from containing aggregate and volume is used. Now I will show how to create or explore volume space consumption. But first of all, go to the on-tap manager. This is my on-tap manager, NetApp manager, and this is system storage and configuration and diagnostics. Expand the storage. Here you can see the aggregates. So aggregate 0 is the default aggregate, and aggregate 1 is my aggregate. I have already created this aggregate. Do you want to know how to create the aggregate? Just click on the create, click on the next, then give the aggregate name as AGGR, like AGG aggregate 1 or 2 or 3 as you wish, and this is write type. There are two types of write DP and write 4, but you should give the write DP, and click on next. Here it is showing because I don't have enough space to create a new aggregate, so it should say that because I already have created and aggregated. I have given the size as 32 MB and the GB as 45 GB, and the disk are 8 disks in this, and volumes are 8. and the status is online. You can check the status. You can create aggregates through putty. Just open the putty, just type the IP address and through SSH open it. Login as a root and my password is I have connected to server. This is my Sandy, and type the command aggr aggregate show underscore space aggr 3 minus g. It will show an error because there is no space in my aggregate. You can type this aggregate and you can create if you have enough space. And here I can show the aggregates in the volume. These are the thin volume, and then full volume I have created. It is in the I have stored in the aggregate 1, so that it is showing the aggregate 1, and the status is online, everything, the aggregate and aggregate 1, and the thin provision is no, and the thin provision S, because it's the full provision. We didn't keep any thin provision there, so that it is not in online. And the available space is only 20 MB because we have given the 30 MB. I want to check this in the putty whether the volumes are connected to Linux or not. So that I want to log in as another account, that is my Linux. I want to connect to Linux. Sorry for the inconvenience. I want to connect it to SSH. Login as my user is net701 gc and the password is here. I have connect access tonight. Oh man. Otherwise we can log in through server. In the vSphere I will show how you can use. Just open the Zorix during Linux. This is my Linux. I can open here. I can connect to this. I have connected to Linux to my server, and will show how you can type the show mount space minus e space the data on top command system manager IP address. You should type here 10.10.10.10. You can see how to export the file from the main server to the Linux. You can see every file is exported. And my task 2 is now I want to say how we should configure deduplication. For this configuration deduplication the NAS volume, through the use of storage system client interface. You can configure through a license or without a license. Here we don't have any license, so that I want to show without license. First of all, you should open the SSH. Login with IP. I log in as a root and the password. Yeah, the command is sys on space \volume /NAS volume. The operation has already been enabled because I have already created a volume. If you want to check, you can check the status sys status space /volume /NAS VOL. Yeah, see, you can see the status idle. The path is NAS VOL. Then I configure the deduplication service for the NAS volume to run when the percentage of fingerprints is changed and the log reaches the default threshold. There you can see sys configure. It's config. You can type as config -s auto /volume /NAS VOL. Okay, then I applied the duplication process to the existing data. Even there is not any really much there. You type the sys start -s /volume NAS VOL. The file system will be scanned to process existing data. This operation may insert data in existing data. Yes, you should type Y here. Yes. Yeah, here you can see the volume NAS VOL is started. Then you can check through df -s VOL volume NAS VOL. See, you can see the how much MB I used, but there is no savings over here. At last we have saved the 16 and 0%. Now we have completed how to deduplication. Then the next one is how to create and manage quotas. For this I have created manage and quota for NAS volume. Here you can see the storage and the quotas and queries. Under the quotas queries, I have created the NAS volume under NAS tree 1. For this you should go create and you can type NAS score Q3 1 and you can keep NAS volume over here, and you should select the NTFS for here and click create. Then after, now you have created NAS tree with NAS volume. Then how to share NAS tree. Here you can see, here I will show how to share the NAS tree just you should create and browse over here. Yeah, you will find a root. And that I have created aggregate 0 and aggregate 1. In that aggregate 1 you can see NS volume, and select this path and click OK. So that I have created NS tree under the shading, and then navigate to and the NS tree is visible over here. Then after I want to check whether the current values in the quotas file is able to see through command line. Then here you can type rd5 space etc space quotas. Here you can see how auto generated by setup has done from NAS tree in the NAS volume path. Then after go to quotas and check whether the quota is available or not. See, you can see here NAS tree, key tree, and the path volume is NAS volume 1. NAS volume. Then open the put session and type the quota status. Here you can see how many quotas are on and how many quotas are off. See whether NFS volume is off and you are doing path NAS volume 1, so that the quotas in NAS volume are on. And then I have returned to the Windows client. Open the map drive from the Explorer. Right click on this PC and map network drive, and you can type backslash 10.10.0.10, and this is my data on top address, and slash NAS underscore tree 1. Ensure that you want to connect using with different credentials, then finish over here. Then enter your credentials like I using as administrator, and the password. See, you can see the Windows NT over here, the folder I have shared. Then after you can check here quota C NFS tree has shared and NIS volume and CF is also shared. By this you have completed this task. The next task is create a quota report. How to create a quota report? I can use the storage system client to create a quota report and the NetApp on command system manager to the quota report. I will start with the command line to create a quota report. Here I can write quota space report. Yeah, check you have how many volumes of and how many bytes, how many limits you have given. Yeah, this is shown because I have already created this one. And then you can go to OnTap manager and click on quotas and click on quota report. Here you can click on NAS volume 1. Here you can give the limits over here by clicking edits here. Yeah, see, you can already have given the limits and space limit and file limit over here. By this we can end this topic, and then we want to go to quotas. We can change the limit of the quota from here and implementing quota changes. For this, first of all, you will go to quotas from the OnTap manager, from the NAS tree, select the NAS volume and click edit limits. Here you can check over here space limit. There you can give the 15 the limit and save and close, but unfortunately we can't edit the changes. Then after, you should go to quota status on volume tabs. Here select NAS volume which is on and click the resize. Here you can see the size has been changed. Then type the command line to verify the quotas file has been changed or not. Add the file space etc space backslash space quatos quotas quotas. Yeah, here you can see the file has been generated automatically and has resized it. See, here you can see 15360K. Previously we have given only 12 MB. Now we can see 15 MB. By this we can end this video, and I hope you like this video, and please give me comments and likes how you feel about this video. Thanks for viewing my video. Have a good day.